I return home after receiving a weather alert message. This time, my family and I are calm. We have just purchased Rapid Flood Protection Systems, the original devices. My husband immediately rushes to raise the grills in the basement, closing them completely with full G barriers. Meanwhile, my grandmother protects the garage by closing the gate, the only barrier that does not require strength because it does not even need to be lifted. Now we need to protect the car and motorcycle inside the garage. For this, my husband has chosen the modular barriers Modu for the car and mod for the motorcycle. While he positions the Modu, I take care of the mod because it is lighter. Meanwhile, I arrive in the living area and insert the click barrier by myself in the door and window. This is the fastest barrier on the market to insert and therefore easy to use, just one click. Now I go to the service door of the basement, for which we could have chosen another type of the full D, but we opted for a more convenient close, the door with hinges, ready to close with a small gesture. I move to the window and use the full W barrier for complete closure to protect it. The water begins to rise, but now the basement is safe. I now place the modern barrier on the door frame and put it under pressure with a quick and simple gesture. This ingenious device patented by us is easy to use, needs no fixing and leaves the architecture and elegance of my entrance intact. Finally, we head towards the pool. I take care of removing the drain covers and inserting the rapid union posts, compressing the gaskets into the pits. The union posts allow us to place more barriers side by side, in an angular or linear system, allowing us to close the perimeter. At this point, we return home. Even the clear water in our beautiful pool is safe. While I continue to carry out my daily activities, my husband admires the storm from the window that fascinates him. You wonder how much they cost? I have tried to save money with homemade products improvised by craftsmen with the result that you see, and I have reluctantly had to buy back my beloved appliances and furniture. Rapid tests the watertightness of its devices and even has them certified by the Istituto Giordano. At the end of the day, original Rapid products pay for themselves the first time they are used and cost far less than the damage. Thank you, Rapid. Thanks to your patents, our house and family are now safe.